Hi, my name is Ashwin Chowdhury and I am legal intern at Lexis & Company. So today we are going to talk about union can do a lot good if steps at right time. Madras High Court. The court was hearing a pending plea calling for directions to the center to initiate amalgamation proceedings under Section 237 of the Companies Act against NPs including Kingfisher Airlines, SR, Videocon, etc. The hearing of a petition proposing solutions to combat the issue of non-performing assets by invoking provisions of the Companies Act saw the Madras High Court orally remark on Tuesday that the central government has the potential to do a lot if it steps in at the right time. In response to the submission made by the petitions counsel concerning the case against Videocon, whereby the National Company Law Tribunal is stated to have been written off a substantial part of the company's debt of around 43,000 crore. Chief Justice Sanjeev Banerjee recalled the cautionary notes were sounded on the issue in order passed years ago. From 2010 onwards, you will find the prediction in those orders about that particular bank and its high-flying personnel, he said. He went on to comment, here the center should step in. It was a wonderful SF5. The union can do a lot of good if it steps in at the right time. Representing the center, Additional Solicitor General R. Shankar Narayan responded that while in several cases the serious fraud investigation officer had stepped in, many such proceedings were stayed by courts. Chief Justice Banerjee also noted that it is not as if the law has fallen short in such matters. There are wonderful provisions, the law is not short, implementation of law is short. We had provisions like Section 408 in the old act. Government has a power to take over the board of the public company. Mismanagement is of wide import, he observed. Appearing for the petitioner, advocates Nityesh Nataraj highlighted Section 237 of the Companies Act 2013, which allows the center to amalgamate companies in public interest. The provision can be invoked as a measure to salvage the situation and recover public money where a default has occurred, has argued. In the NSC co-location scam case, the center had invoked this provision, although the Supreme Court negated the allegation, advocate Nataraj recalled. He also pointed out that in the many cases, certain companies are set up as a vehicle to perpetrate fraud while the promoters of these entities continue to hold sizable assets through other companies. The petition filed in 2018 had explained that subsidiary companies with little or negligible net worth are set up to take loans. Once a default occurs, the promoter and holding companies waive responsibilities by taking recourse to much abuse limited liability concept in company law. The petition stated this can be tackled by elimination such companies through Section 237 of the Companies Act, it was contended. Advocate Nataraj argued on Tuesday that there are also provisions in the Companies Act enabling the disbarment of the directors and to ensure that they disgorge ill-gotten wealth. If there is an opportunity to recover these monies, it is not something that should be brushed under the carpet. If the union cooperates, they can ensure the monies can be recovered. He submitted. Thank you.